No socks today, just the pluggers, eh?
Yeah, mate.
Nice.
Yeah, I didn't have fucking time.
Oh, fucking too rushed at 10 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
So I only got my pluggers today as well. I didn't wear any socks.
Yeah, good.
My pluggers, they're getting dangerously low on tread though.
Jesus.
That's, yeah, there's
You've been
literally
doing skids.
not much tread left. I've had this one pair of pluggers for like 7 years.
You know, fucking the double ones, they're fucking
Yeah,
good.
double pluggers.
Yeah.
You splash out and you spend like $7 to get the double pluggers so they don't blow them out.
Yeah.
And that's how long they last.
That's sick.
I've had these for like 7 years. These are the ones when you pick me up drunk in Australia Day, I left them in your car. I found one of them, and then one of them was stuck in your car.
Yeah.
That's this same pair of thongs. I've had them for a good 7 years now.
Shit, eh?
And yeah, I refuse. I want to try and retread them.
Retreads.
Yeah. I hate freshies. I love wearing my old ones. They're so moulded to my feet.
Yeah, I know.
My feet just sit like in them like a boat.
Yeah, mine are. I've got like fucking bits of timber strapped to my feet. It's fucking weird.
Big old blocks. Also, if you do this, I hope you wake up with a sore neck. Like if I had to drag my trailer through that gap, I just drag guards up everyone's doors.
Oh, that's a never-ending shit fight. It's just fuck. We're in fucking Brisbane. I didn't even fucking. Oh shit! All right.
So I hit up Adam this morning. I was like, "Want to come with me and Liam to come get this thing?" And he's only just realised now that we're actually going to Brisbane. He thought we were only going down the road.
Yeah. Fuck. All right. Oh, well. Sick.
Well, you're in the car now, mate.
Yeah. It's now going back. Oh fuck. There's a guy that was in Brisbane that wants a tail shaft for an MX-83, and I told him I'm on the coast, and then he was like, I'll come up in the afternoon if like I can't get one down that way, and now I'm going down that way. I didn't even know I was going that way, and I don't have a tail shaft there. That's fuck, you know.
So anyway, now we've got to go collect Liam.
Lime.
Had to wait till this time so that he would be home from his breakfast. What, do you keep burning your tongue, do you?
I fucking do, yeah. It's fucking cup. I made this coffee. Whoa, yeah, it's fucking. I gotta give it to it. This is the first time I've used this cup, and fuck me, it keeps the coffee warm, mate. Not even warm, like it won't let it cool down. Fucking.
Oh, dirty. Oh, fancy fucking pants. Fuck me dead, mate.
Buddy.
Nice. So where are we going, Liam?
Kane's place.
Where's Kane's place?
Near Carl's Jr. in Redcliffe.
Oh, it's in Redcliffe. Oh, sweet. So it's like north side.
Yeah, no, it is north.
Woo, woo, woo.
Yeah.
Alright, sweet. So where are we going to Kane's place for, Liam?
We're gonna get another Skyline.
Oh, are we?
Yeah.
Woo, 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 woo.
Another 31 silhouette.
Ah.
Yeah.
So it's already RB30 in manual then.
Yeah, it is.
So what are you going to do with that other RB30 in manual you bought the other time?
Oh,
1,000 horsepower.
don't know. Probably put it in this one when this one blows up.
Ah, okay, so you think about keeping it all spares shit?
Oh yeah, probably.
Ah, okay.
Well, it's RB20 box in this one anyway, so it probably pays to have a spare.
Yep. Yeah, fair enough, yep.
Yeah. So I don't know. I'll just keep it for spares. Just gonna keep it for spares.
Hey, got finally exploded! Oh, fucking good one. Now my car smells like coffee.
Yeah, it doesn't smell like fucking abattoir.
Yeah, fucking rag!
Ah, fuck! Ah, you fucking. Where's the fucking lid gone? I think the lid's in your footwell.
Fucking hell.
Oh,
Covered in shit.
Fuck. You don't want to be putting them back on. This is what's up.
I know.
Check it out, brother.
Oh, that's actually sick.
That's actually sex spec. Oh, I can't get my hands off it.
Oh, nice. That actually looks pretty sick. I'll buy that center console off you, mate. What about, do you want the window winders too? Yes.
Oh, it's on both front doors.
And rears.
What do you mean?
It's on the rears too.
What, the
winders.
Oh, the winders, yeah.
Spare.
I was about to say, I was like, no, they're not the door codes, you fucking.
Can't say I'm a fan of the grey with the brown.
Oh, yeah.
But I am a fan of that center console. Big old fan.
Oh, with the top on it.
Yeah. And in the right colour. Oh, drift stitching.
What do you mean?
That's actually some not bad drift stitching, I've got to say.
Is that being painted on?
Yep.
Whoa!
Yeah.
I saw the photo.
Well, at least it means you won't be tempted to put it on the street.
Fuck off. He's already started talking about it. It's spastic.
Only lights too. Can I take the door rubbers off Pintaro too, please?
Extended studs. Yeah,
Thanks.
literally. It's half your car. Come and flog whatever.
Good.
You fucking paid for half of it.
Yeah.
Well, not quite. I mean, I paid more.
These have been painted.
Plus, I had to tow it home. Alright, all yours.
Oh, thanks, mate.
Come to buy a car. Get a beer. Top one.
Yeah, fuck yeah. That's not sick. Come on, mate, you missing a finger or something?
No.
How'd you go, mate?
Around the block, got lost. Did he skid?
Like a brand new one.
Tough.
Yeah, jokes. I didn't actually sell my 31. This is the same one. I just did a couple of cosmetic changes, like fuck it up.
Is that the ground? Oh, I can see the ground. Oh, what a falcon!
Nah, I don't know how to get home. I can't even sit my phone there.
What is
It's
that?
gonna go to the bottom of the earth.
4-speaker. Oh, fuck yeah.
I'll just follow you, I guess.
Try and keep up with the big falcon.
Righto. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. A bit of traffic.
Lucky we're just cruising in luxury. Fucking.
Oh, we got some fucking. What's that? Is that?
Oh, that's Culture King's money. Fuck yeah. What a steal. This car's just, yeah.
Fuck yeah, it's
totally.
gone up in fucking bait. Woo! Oh, it's
She's drift ready. Oh, fuck!
oh.
Fucking piece of shit, Falcon. Just working on taking the sticker off. There we go, got it off.
What's it?
It's got electric mirrors, and one side works. Not anymore.
Does it work?
It did. What is... Is that your mum?
Ha! Ha! Ha ha! Fucking caravan. Just fucking. Woo!
She's a fucking goer.
It stinks now. Fucking hell.
Yeah, that's a pretty good.
Shit, eh? It's actually pretty good. Holy mackerel! Not bad. Good size. Holy shit. That'll get me pretty far.
One of the good things is that the tyre itself.
Yes, the tyre actually rubs on the tension rod and the sway bar.
But because you'll be going sideways, this wall will be pulled that way and away from the.
I don't know, should be using those steers.
Whoa! Yeah, you can fucking.